Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Discord server invite links private while streaming, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide invite links on the Discord app using streamer mode on your PC, following the latest update. Whether you're a content creator or just want to protect your community, these steps will help you maintain privacy with ease. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture. Right next to it is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Once you're in the user settings, take a look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to enter the Streamer Mode settings. Now, this is where the magic happens. Streamer Mode is designed to protect your sensitive information while you're live, and with the new update, it's even more powerful. In the Streamer Mode settings, look for the option that says Hide Invite Links. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. To enable this feature, simply click the toggle so it turns purple. That's it. Your invite links will now be hidden whenever Streamer Mode is active. This means that if you accidentally open a server invite or someone sends you a link while you're streaming, your viewers won't be able to see it. Don't forget, Streamer Mode also offers other privacy features, like hiding personal information and disabling sounds or notifications. But for today, focusing on hiding invite links will keep your Discord community safe from unwanted guests. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've boosted your privacy and made your streams more secure. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips on keeping your online experience safe and smooth. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!